Have you ever wondered where all the stuff we buy comes from and where it goes when we throw it away? Consumption is a long process that starts when we extract resources from the earth and ends when we have to figure out what to do with the products we discard. In our globalized economy, raw materials are continually being extracted, processed in factories, and buried in communities at an ever-increasing rate. In the United States, each person makes an average of 4.5 pounds of garbage per day. The problem has now reached a crisis point. Whatever people call it, solid waste is a problem that must be properly managed. While it is generally understood that proper waste management helps protect human health, the environment, and preserve natural resources, many do not realize that solid waste also impacts climate change. The manufacture, distribution, disposal, and collection of waste all result in emissions of atmospheric gases called greenhouse gases that affect the Earth's climate. The collection and transport of waste accounts for 10 to 15% of greenhouse gas emissions from the waste management cycle. Without systemic routes and regular schedules for collecting, resources like time, fuel, and money are wasted. Collection is the most expensive part of the solid waste management system. Every single time a trash can is emptied, it incurs labor, fuel costs, and vehicle wear and tear, not to mention overflow litter cleanup tasks that use even more human capital. In aggregate, the collection costs associated with each receptacle in a downtown area can exceed $2,000. Operating under already meager budgets, local governments are looking for more eco-friendly and cost-effective ways to collect public waste. In doing so, local governments are trying to reduce their already costly waste management budgets. Simply put, collection efficiency means getting more for less. This methodology is what Jim Poss acted on when starting his company Big Belly Solar. Big Belly Solar was founded in 2003 with the goal of transforming one of the least efficient and resource-intensive industries on the planet, waste collection. Big Belly Solar is changing the way organizations, governments, and households deal with public waste and recycling. As a result, Big Belly is saving people time, fuel, and money while reducing their carbon footprint. Cities around the world are now slashing collection frequency and reducing litter with the Big Belly Solar intelligent waste and recycling collection system. The Big Belly uses 100% solar power to automatically compact trash at the point of disposal, dramatically increasing capacity by 5 times within the same footprint as ordinary receptacles. Increased capacity means fewer collection trips, cutting greenhouse gas emissions up to 80%. In order to better understand how the Big Belly Solar is able to operate at such a high level, one must understand how it works. To start, the solar panel extracts energy from the sun and transfers the power to a battery for storage. Onboard controls software takes fullness input from a photo and triggers compaction automatically. When the compactor reaches predetermined fullness levels, external LED indicators are triggered, indicating that a pickup is required. The Big Belly Solar compactors do not require direct sunlight. As long as the solar panel can see the sky, meaning not under a roof or a tree, it will work. The integral part of the Big Belly Solar compactor is the intelligent energy management system that allows the compactor to work reliably in various environmental climates and light conditions. It is now commonly known that we are destroying the earth as we know it. In North America alone, data suggests that our ecological footprint requires 5 Earths to sustain our lifestyle. Astounding numbers like these have led to increased discussions from politicians, environmentalists, and citizens to implement more efficient systems to manage waste collection and to better protect the planet's biodiversity. With the Big Belly solutions deployed in every state and more than 30 countries worldwide, Big Belly Solar continues to bring its smart grid for waste and recycling to every corner of the world.